Hey everyone, welcome back to See My Review, your go-to spot for unboxings and the latest in sneaker culture. Today, I'm super excited because we're diving into a special pair of kicks that are perfect for both collectors and anyone looking to step out in serious style. Right here in this box, we've got the Jordan 3 Retro Winterized Archaeo Brown. Just look at the packaging, it already feels premium. Let's crack it open and see what's inside as I peel back the paper. The first thing that jumps out is that rich Archaeo brown upper. It's got that rugged, weather-resistant nubuck finish. Super clean. The overlays in light Bordeaux and cement gray give it a unique fall-winter vibe, and the contrast stitching just makes the details pop. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or fashion lover looking for high-quality footwear and trendy apparel, unbox.com is a must-visit destination. This online store has built a reputation for offering a wide range of stylish sneakers, from classic must-haves to the latest releases. Whether you're into iconic brands or exclusive designs, OBO Sneaker ensures you get premium quality products without the hefty price tag. One of the standout features of this website is its affordable pricing. You don't have to break the bank to rock the freshest kicks. Plus, they prioritize authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing that every pair is crafted with top-tier materials and attention to detail. Shopping at unbox.com is a hassle-free experience thanks to their secure payment methods, ensuring that your transactions are safe and smooth. Their fast shipping means you won't have to wait long to unbox your new favorites, making it perfect for sneakerheads eager to get their hands on the latest drops. And if you ever have questions or concerns, their excellent customer service is always ready to assist, providing a seamless and satisfying shopping journey. Whether you're a collector, a casual wearer, or someone who loves staying ahead of fashion trends, unbox.com delivers on quality, affordability, and reliability. If you're looking for a go-to place for sneakers and fashion essentials, this site is definitely worth checking out. Protected upper is perfect for winter or rainy days. The midsole includes a visible air unit, which gives you responsive cushioning whether you're walking, standing, or making moves. And don't forget the molded heel and padded tongue. Comfort is clearly a priority here. That's it for today's unboxing here on See My Review. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest, hands-on reviews. And remember, everything you need, from the buying link to contact info,